Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company PRS Inc. They're looking for a part-time crisis link care navigator. It pays up to $22 per hour. PRS is recognized as one of the 50 best nonprofits to work for in the US. We provide behavioral health, crisis intervention, and suicide prevention services. Our vision is to change and save lives in our community by empowering hope, safety, recovery, wellness, independence, and community integration. PRS Crisis Link is a nationally recognized crisis center serving individuals reaching out to the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline hotline and chat line across the United States and locally. Crisis workers answering these calls are a blended staff of volunteers and employees who require a unique, creative, and empathetic individual to support their growth and development. The Care Navigator is responsible for completing resource referral and follow-up calls to clients based within Northern Virginia. The Care Navigator will coordinate with shift supervisors and the Crisis Link follow-up supervisor to ensure all complex referral calls are made to clients and documented appropriately. These phone calls may include providing resource referrals to clients or following up after a mobile dispatch deployment. Monday to Friday, 20 hours per week. The Care Navigator is a virtual position, $22 per hour. Qualifications: high school diploma or JET. Communication, interpersonal skills as applied to interaction with coworkers, supervisor, the general public, etc. sufficient to exchange or convey information and to receive work direction. Working knowledge of complex mental health and human services within Northern Virginia required. Knowledge of and experience with Virginia-based mental health organizations and resources required. Excellent oral and written communication skills, Spanish-speaking bilingual skills a plus. Ability to work individually and within a team environment and adjust to changes in workflow daily. Private workspace required. If this sounds like a job for you, please complete an application now. At PRS, we have been recognized as one of the 50 best nonprofits to work for in the US, and we are growing. Our vision is to change and save lives in our community by empowering hope, safety, recovery, wellness, independence, and community integration for adults living with behavioral health care challenges. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.